Hello, my name is Stephanie Lopez. Today we're going to try to make Play-Doh. I know you guys are probably wondering why, so let me ask you. Well, why not? Children like to use Play-Doh. Not only can they have fun while they're making it, but they can have even more fun afterwards. And it'll teach them a lot of great lessons on how to use kitchen utensils or just to be in the kitchen and when not to ask for help. Keep in mind, all the ingredients that we're using today are edible, but I do not recommend to let anyone eat it. The end product will be really salty, but again, if something were to happen and a child did consume the Play-Doh, no need to freak. All of the ingredients are edible. Now, let's see what these ingredients are. Here we have cream of tartar. You're going to need a tablespoon of that. Then after that, we have some vegetable oil. And instead of 1 tablespoon, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of that. Afterwards, you're going to need some hot water. It's okay if it's from the tap because it's going to be cooked. You're going to need exactly 2 cups of that hot water. And all of this is going to go inside a medium-sized pot. Then, in the pot, you're also going to need some all-purpose flour. You're going to need 2 cups of that all-purpose flour. Then, some salt. You're going to need 1 cup of salt. Now, once you have placed all your ingredients in the bowl, you can give them a little stir. Go ahead and place the pot on the stove and make sure that the heat is on medium level. Alright, once you got the pot over the heat, you want to stir your mixture continuously. If not, the bottom of the pot will burn. This as well is a great example for when kids should ask for help. You want to explain that the stove is hot and that you don't want them to get hurt. Explain to them that the only way to prevent them from getting hurt is to ask for your help, because maybe you can better reach the pot, or just because of the stove's heat. Around this time now, you will start finding it a little more tiring to stir the pot. Now please make sure that your stove is at medium level heat. If not, your dough-like mixture will start burning. If you notice that your mixture is not stiffening up, that's fine. Just continue to stir the pot over the medium heat. When your Play-Doh mixture does start to harden or stiffen, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have the consistency of maybe a pizza dough or cookie dough. If you think you're done, you can go ahead and test it by getting the contents of your pot and placing it on a spoon. If nothing falls off the spoon, then your cookie dough-like batter will be ready. After that, you want to get your pot off of the heat and let it cool for 10 to 20 minutes in order for you to handle the dough. Alright, after 10 or 20 minutes, the dough might still be hot. So parents, a neat trick would be to kind of tear the dough apart and place it on a plate. That way that it can cool down a little faster. Please make sure that a parent does this. The dough might be a little warm for a child and we don't want them to hurt themselves. Alright, and once you finish tearing up the dough, you're basically done. That is going to be your Play-Doh. Now, if you want to go ahead and see how to dye your Play-Doh, go ahead and click the link below. Thank you for watching.